Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a topic that might sound complex, but we are break it down in easy way. The stock market. If you are curious about what is the stock market is, how it works and why it is matter, you are in right place. By the end of this video, you have the clear understanding. If you are excited to learn, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Think of the stock market as a place where people buy and sell pieces of companies. Imagine a company as a cake and their pieces like slices of that cake. When you buy a slice, you own a small part of the company. But where do these buying and selling things happen? It's places called stock exchanges. These are like special markets where people trade these slices of companies. Names like the New York Stock Exchange or Nasdaq might write a bell. So let's say you want to buy a slice of a company, you tell a person or use a website to do it. When someone wants to sell their slices, you request it matched and the deal is done. The price of the slice goes up and down based on how much people want it. Stock have a special code called a ticker symbol. It's like a nickname for the company on the stock exchange. For example, Apple's code is AAPL. This code helps us easily find and talk about stocks. Why do companies share their slices? It's like asking for help to grow. They need money to do new things like making new products or expanding, so they sell their slices and it returns. People who buy them get to be part owners. Not all slices are the same. There are regular slices and special slices. Regular slices let you have a say in what the company does. Special slices might not give you a say but might give you more money over time. Now let's talk about how people make money. Imagine you bought a slice of a company for $10 and later the company become more popular. You might sell your slice for $15. That's called making money from the value growing up. Also, some companies share their profits with slices owner. It's like getting a piece of company's yummy piece. Okay, here's the truth. The stock market can be bit like a roller coaster. The prices go up and down. That's the risk part. But if you are patient and smart, there is a chance you could make more money compared to other ways of saving. Who are these people buying and selling slices? They can be anyone, regular folks, big companies or even groups. Some try to make quick money by trading a lot, while others play the long game. You might think the stock market is only in one place, but it's like a huge playground that covers the whole world. Thanks to computers and the internet, you can own a slice of a company from anywhere. Imagine the stock market like a living thing that reacts to news and trends. Good news might make prices go up, while bad news can make them go down. Staying informed is like having a secret power. Remember, the stock market is not a race, it's more like a marathon. Prices might jump around, but if you are thinking about growing your money over time, it's good to stay patient. In all things sounds exciting but a bit confusing. Don't worry. You can ask expert for help. Financial advisors are like tour guides for the stock market. They can help you make smart choices. There you go. Now you know what the stock market is all about. It's like a marketplace where people buy and sell slices of companies. Remember, while it can be a bit bumpy, it's also a place where you could make your money grow. If this video gave you an aha moment, don't forget to give it a thumb up and share it with friends who might be curious too. Keep learning and keep exploring and keep making those smart money moves. See you in next video.
In case you didn't get it, it's you.